back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be responding to social media messages and comments. Before we dive on in, just real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available. Generally, I share 3 to 5 remote work from home jobs every day, Monday through Friday. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and the links to all the pages that I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from Lume Deodorant Company. You may have seen their ads on YouTube. They also are running ads on regular cable TV. I know my parents have said that they have seen them as well. Now, they only have 15 reviews on Glassdoor, so please make sure you do your own research on the company. But out of those 15 reviews, they have a high rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service representative for, again, their social media channels. So they're basically looking for somebody to be responsible for ensuring that all customers have the best-in-class quality customer experience across their social media channels. You're going to act as the subject matter expert who can both problem solve and connect with the customers on a human level. So you're going to be part of an empathetic, diverse, and supportive customer service team. Now, as far as what they're looking for, they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They do want somebody who has 1 year of e-commerce customer service experience. A high school diploma or GED is required, but again, no college degree. Somebody who has experience with help desk or POS systems like Shopify. And of course, you have to have advanced social media experience with all the social media channels, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. And good computer skills, including knowing how to use Google Workspace, Microsoft Office 365, those types of things. They do also want somebody who has a little bit of flexibility in their schedule, somebody who could work nights and weekends sometimes. Now, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay for this position is $17 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.